last two to cast off. I'm actually started this one already, so hopefully by this, I don't know, afternoon, I will have it finished and be blocking.
Let's get down to business to make lattes. Did they give me whipped cream when I asked for foam? And Mr. I'll make a latte for you. Bum, bum, bum. That was great! Literally off the fire.
It is August 15th. So, that means tomorrow, August 16th, is my Marjielous Creations 8th anniversary. So I am getting together some patterns and revamping them a little bit to make the process easier for me for when I'm actually making patterns. So I'm revamping a couple of patterns and I will be releasing them tomorrow, my anniversary.
Marjielous Creations 8th anniversary! Yay! This many.
That's that many. So today is August 16th, and 8 years ago today I sold my very first creation, which was a hair clip. It was a feather flower hair clip. And it was a little while after that I started knitting and crocheting and actually came up with the name Marjielous Creations. But still, we're celebrating anyway today, and actually, so we've got a couple of different promotions going on. So on Ravelry, if you use the coupon code Happy 8th Anniversary, you will get one free pattern.
And on
Etsy,
there is a buy 3 get 1 free. So if you do all of that, you get a total of 5 patterns.
And 2 of them for free.
Yeah, so it's a pretty good deal.
Yeah, so it's pretty good. And then I'm also running a giveaway because, I mean, who doesn't like giving away free stuff on their anniversary? I mean, really? So the giveaway is going to be very similar to the last giveaways we've had. So it'll be your choice of a yarn ring, a pattern, or a stuffy, like so the little amigurumi stuffies that I make.
If you're the type of person who's going on for all of those pattern things, if you win, you could potentially get 6.
I suppose if you win.
3 for free.
Yeah.
If you win.
So to enter the giveaways, it'll be across social media platforms, so it'll be one giveaway between YouTube,
Facebook,
my Facebook page, and Instagram. The links are down below. Below, right here.
Somewhere around here.
Under there. And you can enter across any of the platforms on all of them if you'd want. So make sure you're following Marjielous Creations on
YouTube.
all those 3 things, all those 3 platforms: Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Comment below on what you would like to have. So
pattern,
the pattern,
ring, or stuffy.
or a stuffy. Yeah, ring or a stuffy. And tag your friends. So
So if you do all 3 of those, you get 3, and every time you tag, you get another entry.
yes, tag a friend, you get another entry. So
you could have up to like 1,000,000 something
yes.
entries.
So I mean, if you really, really want to win this giveaway,
Do all of that 1,000,000 times.
on all of the social media.
Yeah, so following
Yes.
following on 3 different things, that's 3 entries.
Yep.
Following, like, tagging is infinite number of entries, depending on how many.
And then a comment.
Comment is another
So
entry.
you could potentially get 6 just by commenting and following.
Like a minimum of 6 and a maximum of who knows.
Yeah, sky's the limit. We'll see how this goes. And any shipping costs will be paid for by me. And the winners will need to contact me because I'll say that we'll do a video on next Friday. So today is Friday, so we'll do a video next Friday.
So you have 1 week. That's just
so
1 week.
Entries will end on Thursday at midnight. So then we'll do the draw on Friday and we'll do it live again like we did the last time. And the promotion for the things go until August 31st. So free patterns until August 31st with the coupon code.
Happy 8th anniversary!
Yay!
I don't have glitter this time.
Thankfully, because I just got my hair done.
That was a whole bunch of mess.
Mm-hmm.
And, well, can we put that video in the link? Because I mentioned it?
I will see if I still have it, but yeah.
Okay.